Are you looking to streamline the process of creating and signing remote employment contracts for your team? Deel makes it incredibly simple, and in this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to create and sign remote employment contracts in Deel, even if you're just starting out with the software. By the end of this video, you'll have all the insights you need to get contracts sorted quickly and efficiently. Deel is a platform designed for remote teams, offering everything from hiring to managing contracts. It's a one-stop solution for businesses and freelancers worldwide. And today, we're going to dive into how you can use it to create legally binding contracts and have them signed in no time. First, once you're logged into Deel, the process starts with creating a new contract. In the dashboard, click on Create New Contract. You'll be prompted to choose between different contract templates, depending on whether you're hiring full-time, part-time, or as a freelancer. Deel has pre-built templates designed for various types of remote employment, so choose the one that fits your needs. After selecting a template, you'll enter the details of the agreement. This includes the employee's name, role, start date, compensation, working hours, and any other specific terms for your contract. You can also include additional clauses or customize the contract to suit your business. Deel ensures everything is compliant with local labor laws, which saves you a lot of time in legal checks. Now, for the signing process. Once the contract details are filled out, you'll move to the signature section. Deel makes it easy by offering both employee and employer signature options. This feature is incredibly useful because once both parties sign, Deel automatically stores the signed contract in your dashboard, ready for future reference. When both parties sign the contract, Deel also gives you the option to send the signed document directly to your team member and other stakeholders, ensuring everyone has the latest version. Deel's system also ensures the signatures are legally valid, so you don't have to worry about any potential compliance issues. If you're working in multiple countries, Deel is especially helpful because it helps you manage different contract laws and currency requirements all in one place. You can pay contractors in their local currency and meet legal requirements without having to become a legal expert for each country. But here's a great part. Deel offers a free trial for new users. So, if you're just starting and you want to explore everything it offers, you can sign up using the link below and get an extended free trial with exclusive bonuses. That way, you can try out the full platform and see how it can save you time, money, and effort in managing remote employment contracts. With Deel, everything is done in one place, from drafting and signing contracts to handling payments and ensuring compliance. It's an incredible tool to simplify your HR processes. If you're looking to streamline your hiring and contract management, Deel will definitely make your life easier. So, to recap, Deel helps you create and sign remote employment contracts in just a few easy steps. It takes the headache out of handling international hiring and ensures that your contracts are legally sound. And remember, by signing up through the link below, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial, along with some extra bonuses to get you started. Start using Deel today and take the first step towards simplifying your remote employment contracts.